In today's video, I am going to teach you how to share a Wix website with someone to edit. To get started, log into your Wix account and open your Wix dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your website settings, permissions, and site tools. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation sidebar and click Settings. This section contains the controls for how your site is managed, including who can access it. After that, select Roles and Permissions. This is the area in Wix where you can invite other people to work on your site and control what they are allowed to do. If you want someone to help edit your website, this is the correct place to set that up safely. When the Roles and Permissions page opens, go to the top right corner and click Invite Collaborators. This will open the invitation window where you can add the person you want to give access to. In the email field, enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Make sure you enter it carefully so the invitation goes to the right person. Next, scroll down through the available roles. You will want to choose a role that allows the person to edit the website without giving them access to sensitive account areas. For most cases, you can check Website Designer or Website Manager. These roles are useful because they allow site editing and management access, but they do not automatically give away financial or billing permissions. That is a good option if you want to protect your account while still letting someone help with the website. Take a moment here to choose the role that best fits what the other person needs to do. If they are mainly helping with design and content updates, Website Designer may be the better fit. If they need broader control over the site, Website Manager may be more appropriate. Choosing the right permission level helps you keep your website secure and organized. Once you have entered the email and selected the role, click Send Invites at the bottom of the window. Wix will then send the invitation to the collaborator, and they can accept it to begin editing based on the permissions you assigned. That covers everything you need to know.